we're going to have a taco tour. I love Mexican food. I'm always trying to find the perfect taco when I go to Taiwan, and it's impossible. This has been a holy grail of mine to try to find the perfect taco. It's really tough. So what I want to do before I leave Chicago is I want to hit some of my favorite places for Mexican food. And right now we're in Chicago. We're at Pasadena, and I'm with my friends Carlos and Olga, and they're going to show me around, taking me to their favorite places in Chicago to eat tacos.
Carne asada, tacos, here we come.
To meet my friends Carlos and Olga. They are taco experts, and they're going to take me to a bunch of taco places in Chicago.
This taco is very delicious, only because it is skirt steak.
It's very simple.
Very simple.
So flavorful.
Bunch of flavor, marinated and primarily in their own ingredients. However, this is just really good tender meat. It's a good tortilla, and it's just fresh cilantro. Can't beat that. And we're also going to be accompanying it with some salsa.
The meat really makes it. I don't even think you need that many ingredients. As long as you have like a good meat, it's delicious.
Cheers. La Pasadita tacos.
Nice thing to have in an early afternoon like this. Beautiful day in Chicago. Am I correct?
Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Really good.
Yeah, what do you think?
It's amazing. I think the cilantro is what makes the taco.
Gives it that refreshing kick.
So this right here is a michelada. It's equivalent to the Bloody Mary of Mexico. It's basically tomato juice with beer, some little more seasonings in there, and it's got to be rimmed with some spice and salt and the lime. Delicious.
My mouth isn't watering.
Yum, it's great stuff.
We have tacos al pastor, which is basically pork with a bunch of seasoning, and then what she has here is chicken tinga, which is a chicken basically boiled up, shredded into pieces, and then put into some chipotle salsa. Cheers.
Messy.
You can taste the crunchiness of the pineapple in here. It's delicious.
I also got the El Pastor, which I love. Like Carlos said, there is pineapple, it's pork, and one of the things I've noticed here is there's radishes too. This restaurant is actually called Cinco Rabanitos, which means 5 radishes, and I'm going to give this a shot. I'm very excited. I do love pineapple, and this is probably why El Pastor is one of my favorites. I would say the asada and the pastor are my 2 favorite types of tacos.
So this right here is the al pastor. So this is the skirt steak, which is made out of the carne asada tacos that we eat. What you're about to try is a bunch of intestines all fried up and everything. It's really good. I hear it's a really good cut.
All Alright, so we are at Marty Bell, and I ran into two friends of mine here. This is actually my partner in crime as a teacher of social studies. This is Rocio, and this is her twin, Vanessa. And we are going to try some tacos here, highly recommended, and I'm going to try a different one this time around. I'm going with the tripe, which is basically pig intestine. Could you tell us which ones you went with?
I went with two de asada. I have the same. Of course.
Okay, so the first one I'm going to try is the tripe. So we'll give this a shot. Not bad, pretty good. Very, very spicy though.
Really?
The red sauce
Is it?
definitely has a little kick to it. How is it?
Delicioso.
So we're trying tacos al pastor with the green salsa. See what this Maribel is all about. That's definitely really good.
Okay, let's give it a shot. Very good. Now, what did you guys say you added? What did you add to this one?
Buche, which is a pork belly.
Pork belly. I like pork belly. And you guys were also saying that this is more of a breakfast taco, correct?
It is a Mexican thing, I guess you can say. Every Sunday we wake up to this. It's our brunch.
Yeah, they were saying there's a huge line outside this restaurant on Sundays.
Sundays. That's where they have the markers.
Let's see what your taco looks like, Carlos.
We went the safe route, which is the carnitas, which I'm gonna have Elvis. There we go.
Oh.
Good boy. So what makes a good taco, and from my perspective, is the salsa. So it's very common that you have a red salsa and a green salsa, but everyone does it very differently. So sometimes the green could be spicier than the red, or vice versa. But honestly, the ingredients of most tacos are very similar: cilantro, cebolla, and the meat. Yeah. So I always like the meat to be like very, how do you say deshebrada?
Shredded?
Yeah, shredded. Shredded. I like the meat to be like nice and shredded just to make it easier for the bites. And yeah, that's about it. So usually, if you have tomato in your taco, it's not a real taco. It's not a real taco. Just onion and cilantro. That's all you need.
All right, so we are in our last destination, and this is a taco place called Ototonico. And we've had a great day trying out different taco places, and I just wanted to thank Rocio and Vanessa for showing us around Pilsen, showing us the fantastic art, and giving us a cultural and history lesson. All right, so we are gonna try out the house special here. We were looking at this, and it looked kind of like a gyro a little bit, right?
It kind of looks like a gyro. It looks, yeah.
Even has almost the sauce is very similar too.
And it's also accompanied with tomato and onion, which is very different, but let's see what it's all about.
Very much like a gyro.
Really?
Yeah. I like it though. It's good.